Safa One is the latest project by DAMAC Properties at Safa Park, Dubai. The development features 2 high-rise towers offering premium luxury in the arms of nature. Safa One by DAMAC Properties is exclusively branded by Di Grossogono of Switzerland, and its design draws inspiration from the gems and jewels found in the master jeweler's most celebrated pieces. The high-rise development is set within Safa Park. Its central location enables the residents to access the major highway network across Dubai and puts you in the proximity to major landmarks of the city. The starting price for a one-bedroom at Safa One is amounting to 1.6 million dirham, with the following payment plan. Pay 75% during the construction and the remaining 25% on the handover. The project will be delivered on February 2026. Get in touch with us today for more information about Safa One.